Hey, welcome to this video. I'm Yusuf and I help e-commerce brand add at least 150k MRR in sales in 30 days by implementing what I call the flywheel effect. Now, I want to explain something in this video. This video is titled One Secret Way to Explode Your Shopify Store. And it's true, and it's not clickbait because I'm going to be explaining everything today with evidence, everything that you need to know with facts that will help you scale your Shopify store through that one secret trick. People, especially marketing agencies, what they try to do and sell you on is they will handle your account, or they will start spending money on Facebook ads using this cost split strategy, or they will start, giving you TikTok scripts so you can upload 3 times per day at dinner time and maximize your chance to go viral by getting an extra 1,000 views to get 1 sales. It's just not cost effective. Let me explain why. The flywheel effect simply states, how can I get every customer that purchased my product to post on their social media accounts and get other customers to buy the same product? And it's kind of like the flywheel effect. So the first thing you want to shed light on is what I call the loyalty program, and it's mostly known as an affiliate marketing program or the referral program, but what I like to call it the loyalty program. And the loyalty program simply states, get your customer $10 off their first purchase if they refer another customer, and that other customer that got referred will also get $5 off first purchase. So it's a win-win-win situation. It's a win for the company because they're gaining sales. It's a win for the customer that's referring the other customer because they're getting $10 off the first order. And it's the win for the last customer that's getting referred by the customer to buy the same product from that brand because they're getting $5 off the first order. And most e-commerce brands do not shed light on that loyalty program because they think simply it's ineffective or it's going to ruin the reputation of the brand, where simply it's not the case. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to have, number one, something I call the brand ambassador. And how you can do this is you want to send an email campaign out to your customers and letting them know that you have built a new community on Discord, and if you join that community, you're going to be welcomed by similar customers, you're going to join a new family, you're going to be the first to know about our new drops, any new discounts, any new coupons. And by doing that, if you're doing around 500k to $1 million in sales, you're going to get about 500 to 1,000 customers each week to join your Discord, which is amazing. And let me tell you why. Because step 2 is building an automated Discord that will help serve, nurture, and welcome your customers in a very aesthetic way. So, for example, for my brand, bonchimo.com, this is a Discord server that we're building. We have about 5 categories, and one of those categories is a welcome section. The second one is customer support. They can open a ticket anytime they want. The third category or channel is communication channel, where they can communicate with us, they can communicate with other customers, with the moderators. And the fourth thing is affiliation. This is what we call the loyalty program. So you want to build a Discord system that will help and welcome those customers. So you're not only getting them to join the loyalty program, but also getting them to actually have a much better experience by building a family, by building a community, by having them to have a one-on-one customer support, to open a ticket, to communicate with other customers, to be the first to get new announcements. And not only it's going to retain your customers, it's going to actually increase your sales, increase your reviews, because you're going to impress your customers. And no other brand is doing that. No other brand is building a community to help retain their customers. The third step is for the flywheel effect is actually the AA framework. And this is where inside the affiliation program or the loyalty program inside of Discord, this is where you want to start spicing things up, right? What most people do is they build all of those, but they leave the loyalty program just for the customers to join or leave it, and they expect the customers to do everything. They expect the customers to get their custom affiliate link. They expect their customers to refer their friends. They expect other customers to actually bring people to the business, bring customers through their customer referral link, and it does not work in that way. The way you want to amplify it is you want to tell your customers in the loyalty program, in that Discord category, exactly what to do. For example, for our brand, we have about 5 channels inside the affiliation category or the loyalty program, and one of them is called New Lessons. I literally upload a lesson each day for my customers to actually watch, to show them how they can actually start getting sales with their affiliate link. I literally walk through them step by step through literally 15 lessons. Okay, and I walk through them step by step on how to start getting sales through their custom affiliate link, how to actually post on social media, how to get their affiliate link, how to start getting clicks, how to go viral, how to post videos on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, some tips on algorithms. And this is where things get excited, because most people leave the loyalty program just open, we actually walk through our customers step by step to start getting their other customers to buy our product. This is the flywheel effect in action. How can I get every customer that buys my product to post on social media and get other customers to buy the same product? That's kind of the flywheel effect. And the only way you're going to actually feed into that flywheel effect is by letting customers know that there is a community after they purchase. We can do that by email campaigns. You can have a page on the website that says that. It doesn't matter, because you're actually feeding it into that flywheel effect to keep rolling and spinning. You want to let your customer know that there is a community, and you want to incentivize them when they join the community. So guys, if you want this whole system set up, the first inscription, we actually are performance-based and we will apply all of that for you. The lessons, we will build a Discord, we will build a AA framework, we'll show you what email campaigns to set up, and we'll help you be in the Discord server managing your customers for 1 year, and we will only take performance-based because we truly care about you, because if you win, we win. If you're interested, click the first link in the description. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.